Now I'm going to show you how to remove the weight system and the trim weight pockets from the Hybrid Pure BC. So let's make ourselves comfortable on a nice flat surface. We open the BC, we unclip the shoulders and get them out of the way. The first step is to unweave the strap from the left side weight retainer. We have a 3-bar slide which we need to remove. And at this point we can just slide out the entire weight retainer. You will notice these permanent marks on the strap, which we place in production because this helps you when you later on want to reassemble the weight system and have everything positioned correctly to your size. The second step now is to remove this 3-bar slide here. The function of this 3-bar slide is to prevent the strap from moving with respect to the backpack. And this we want to maintain even when we remove the weight system. So once we're done removing everything, we will have to put this one and the corresponding one on the other side back onto the strap. Now for it to do the job properly, this 3-bar slide has to be very snug against the backpack. This makes it a little bit difficult to remove, but you feed it some slack and then you see it is very easy to remove. Just as we saw a minute ago, even corresponding to this 3-bar slide, we have a small permanent mark that will allow you in putting things back together. Now we have to push the strap through the backpack and then pull it back out, take out the trim weight and pull the strap again once through the backpack. So push it through and pull it from the inside to make it easier. Everything we just did on the left side, we now repeat in reverse order on the right side. We start by pushing through the strap. We then pull out the trim weight, and it's very easy now to just pull everything out from the backpack. Now here we see actually these permanent marks in the middle of the 3-bar slide. This is, so when you assemble it, you know where to position everything. We're going now to remove this 3-bar slide, then we're going to slide the strap through this webbing loop, and then we'll remove this 3-bar slide and remove the entire weight retainer. And then we reposition the strap onto the BC, making sure that we use these 3-bar slides on the inside, which delimit the movement of the strap on the backpack. So we pull the strap through the loop, through the 3-bar slide, out of the way. Then remove the second 3-bar slide. And now we can pull the strap out of the retainer. Here we see the complete system. The strap with a buckle, the 2 weight retainers, the trim weights, and the 4 3-bar slides that we need to hold everything together. Now we're going to assemble it just with a strap. But ideally, you could use the system with just the trim weights, you could use the system with just the weight retainers, or you could use it even in this configuration so that you have a cargo pocket and nothing else. So now we're going to assemble the system again without any weight trim pockets or weight retainers. What you will see here is also included in a small instruction manual that comes with a BC, but it's very simple anyway. The first step is to place the 3-bar slide onto the corresponding marked position. You will notice that the 3-bar slide has 3 areas with increased grip on the surface. You see it on the middle at the top and then on either side at the bottom. It is important that you mount it correctly so that the strap rests against these areas because it gives more grip. We have to move the 3-bar slide all the way until the innermost permanent mark on the strap, because this is the one corresponding to the position of the back strap. So if we wanted to also put the weight retainer back on, then we would position it according to here. So now we weave the strap through the backpack. We go in the outermost slot. We go back through the very next one, and then we skip one and we go through the innermost one. This kind of placement we need when we put the trim weight pocket, because it requires a certain amount of space, but we might as well maintain the same logic also in this case. So, reverse order on the other side. You should see the permanent mark just on the outside of the backpack. And this is where we're going to place the next 3-bar slide, the only one we need. We put it on, again, respecting the fact that it has to sit against the rough surfaces. We bring it all the way in. So, your BC is ready for diving. And the strap, as you can see, is not moving. So now we finished reassembling the BC, and the result is a travel jacket that weighs almost half a kilo, 1 pound less than what we had before.